Today I'm going to be unboxing this electric nail file, but first and foremost I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing it. I'm going to be showing you what is inside the box, what to expect when you get it, then we're going to go ahead and test it out. This is a 9-speed nail drill designed for salon quality results right at home. First impression, the packaging is sleek and it is gift ready. Inside of the box, you get a cordless nail drill, a set of 6 versatile drill bits, sanding bands, and a USB-C charging cable. This soft brush is for dust removal, everything that you need for a complete manicure or pedicure. This model runs up to 20,000 RPM with a double bearing concentration system, which cuts vibration by about 70% for a smoother, more comfortable experience. It's also super quiet, under 40 decibels. Here is the digital display. It shows the current speed and battery level. You have 9 adjustable speeds, plus forward and reverse rotation. This is perfect for everything from gentle cuticle work to removing acrylics or gel polish. To swap them out, you simply want to go ahead and gently pull it out, as you could see, and then you could go ahead and insert the next drill bit. I'm starting at a lower speed for cuticle care, and the control feels precise. There's no wobble, no excess vibration, which makes it easier to get clean results. It is so lightweight, my hand does not get tired. On a full charge, you get up to 4 hours of cordless use and even works while charging. At only 0.2 pounds, it is easy to travel with, so you can do your nails anywhere. So if you're looking for a professional nail drill that is nice, quiet, and portable, then I would highly recommend this one. Check it out. I'll drop that link down below.